Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, guys, with a new online lesson. Today, inshallah, we are dealing with the grammar rule in Unit 1. Today, we are studying the first part of this grammar rule. The topic is other, others, and another. I hope you concentrate with me because it's not difficult, but it's a confusing one. So please focus on the notes. I have some guys waiting. Okay. Make sure you have your books on hand. You're going to need it for the exercise, inshallah. Okay. Others, and another. Can you guess or can you tell me what's the Arabic translation for these words, if you can, please? Can you tell me the Arabic translation for this? Yes, Nawaf.
شيء آخر.
شيء آخر. طب can it be شخص آخر?
Maybe.
Maybe. What about Rakan?
شخص أو أشخاص أو لا شخص.
What about آخر? Where is آخر? The most important آخر. Yes, محمد سامي.
شخص آخر.
another ممكن تكون شخص آخر.
Okay.
Another.
Okay, I hear you. Yeah. Well, anyway, they have the same meaning. They are used for talking about people or things, by the way, okay? You can use other, others, another to talk about someone or something. But the most important to know, it means آخر or آخرون, okay? But what's the difference among other, others, and another? That's what we're going to study now. Let's start our lesson. Drop your hand, Muhammad Sami. Each time you forget your hand raised, okay? Now, other, others, and another. Well, I need someone to read the slides, then I can give you some explanation, later explanation. Who's going to help us? Okay, who's going to read this? Just reading, guys. Who's going to read? Hello, everybody. Can you hear me? Yes, Muhammad Sami.
Other can be used as an adjective before a plural. Plural.
Okay.
Noun to mean.
To mean what?
Initial or further.
Okay, let's take this note and start to study it word by word. The first word, other. It can be used as an adjective. Okay, if it's an adjective, it comes before a noun. What kind of noun comes after it? It must be a plural noun, not singular one, plural. Like what? People, students, cars, and so on. So use others before a plural noun, not a singular noun, not uncountable, plural noun. And in this case, the word other acts like an adjective. Okay, what's the meaning of this other? In this case, it means additional. What does it mean, additional? I mean, yeah, more, you know? Let's look at this example. Who's going to read? Yes, guys. Who's going to read this? Yes, Ryan.
Other can be used as
no, not explanation. Just read the example in green, okay?
Okay, many students like doing their homeworks at night. Other students like doing it afternoon.
So many students like doing their homework at night. Other students, I mean other group of students, okay? طلاب آخرون like doing it afternoon. Can you see here the word other is used before a plural noun, as I told you, it came before a plural noun. And the meaning of this other means additional, more. So some students like to do or like doing the homework at night, but there are some other students or other group or more students who like to do it or doing it afternoon. So the first point you must keep in your mind, use other before plural noun. Be careful, other before a plural noun, it means additional or more. Okay, now let's go to the other or the next slide. Can you see the word other here? It's used as an adjective, as I told you. And the word students, this is the noun, which is plural now in this case. I cannot say other student, no, other students. Okay. What about others? Not other, others. Who's going to read this? Others. Hello, guys. Just reading. I hope Khalid Saleh can help us. Khalid, can you read? No, not Ryan. I need another one. Yes. And Nofal. Okay. Welcome, Nofal.
Others can be used as a pronoun to mean additional or other persons or things.
Okay. So others like other. It means additional. But the difference here, other in the previous slide, it's an adjective and it comes before a noun. But here others, it's a pronoun and it doesn't come before a noun. Look here. I give you the same example and I want you to note the difference. Yeah. Why do you mute yourself so quickly, guys? I need someone to read the whole slide, okay? I need someone to read the whole slide. And Nofal, if you come back again, please, to read this example. Yes, Nofal. Nofal. Yeah. Okay, Nofal.
Yes, teacher.
Read
Many
this.
students like doing their homework at night. Others like doing it afternoon.
Okay. Can you see others here? It's used to mean additional. But here, I didn't mention students after it. I didn't say others students. No, just others. So this is the difference between others and other. Other in the previous slide is used before plural noun. But here, this others, it's used without the plural noun and it gives it the same meaning. Okay, let's check the difference between them. Here, it's used as a pronoun, not an adjective. Okay. I think this slide is useful for you. Here is the difference between other and others. Okay, Nofal, if you can read, if you are still there.
Yes.
Yes, read the first example from the first slide here.
Other students like doing it afternoon.
Of course, there was another sentence here says some students or most students like doing their homework at night. Other students like doing it afternoon. And here, and Nofal, this one.
Others like doing it afternoon.
Can you note, Nofal, what's the difference between this one and this one? What's the difference, if you can see? This is other, this is others. There's another difference. This is the plural noun mentioned after other, but no plural noun comes after others. And I want you, Nofal, to read this or these two notes. The yellow colored one. Yes, Nofal?
Other is followed by a noun. Others is not followed by a noun.
So this is very important for your exams and for your homework and for your workbook and student book. when you are going to choose and you are confused between other and others, be careful because other is always followed by a noun, a plural noun. Other students, other boys, other people, okay? But others, this one, others, never followed by a noun. I just to say others came early. Some students came late, others came early, and so on. This is very important slide. Okay, guys, let's move to the other one. This word about other and others. Okay. What about another? Another. Who's going to read? Who's going to read this one? Yes, guys. Yes, Saab. Okay, Turkey Faiz. Welcome back. Yes, Turkey. Yes, Turkey Faiz. I'm trying to.
Yeah, yes, teacher.
Okay.
Another can be used an adjective or a pronoun.
Okay, so this word another, it's used as an adjective or a pronoun. But be careful, the previous slides, not to forget. Other was an adjective. Others was a pronoun. But this is another, it can be an adjective or a pronoun, but be careful, it will have a different meaning, not similar one. Okay, let's see. Focus, concentrate, guys. This slide and the next one are very, very important. Okay, I need someone to help us in reading. Yes, Turkey, if you are still there.
Yes, teacher. This cup of coffee is too bad. I don't like it. Please get me another one.
Well, please get me another one. Why do you need another cup or another one? Because this one is too bad. Can I ask you a question, Turkey? Yes, gone. Okay, guys, I need another one to be online with me. Turkey, are you still there?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Well, again, this cup of coffee is too bad. Okay, I don't like it.
Mhm.
Please get me another one. Can I ask you a question here?
Yes.
How many cups are you going to drink? One or two?
One.
One. The first
Yeah.
or the second one?
But the second, the first is too bad.
So
And you don't drink
are you going to drink the first one? Yes or no?
No. No.
Well, so when you use another, it means you don't like, you don't need, you are not going to use the first one and you need an alternative. Alternative معناها بديل يا شباب, بديل, okay? So this is the first meaning for another. You can use it when you are seeking for or looking for alternative. Let's check the meaning. So here the word another is an adjective. استخدمت as an adjective كصفة, okay? And we can use another as an adjective. In this case, if it's taken as an adjective and followed by a noun, but of course, one or cup. In this case, it means an alternative. Alternative, I told you, بديل, to something previously considered or something mentioned before. So in this sentence, this guy doesn't like the first cup and he is not going to drink it, but he needs another one, a new one, an alternative. Okay, be careful. He just needs one cup. He is going to drink one cup, the new one, not the old one. Ayed, if you are there, you can read this note. Abdulaziz Ayed. Hello, Ayed. Okay. Yeah. So this sentence, I don't like this cup of coffee. Get me another one. Yes, Ayed. What does it mean?
This sentence means that I didn't like that cup of coffee, and I asked for an
Alternative
one.
Okay, I asked for alternative يعني أنا طلبت بديل. I didn't like the first one. So if you use another, guys, another, as an adjective before a noun, it means I need alternative and I don't like the first one. Okay. What about the other usage? Let's check it. Who's going to read this one? New faces guys. يعني ما شاء الله تركي دايما. Let's take Ahmed Mustafa. Okay, welcome back Ahmed. Yes, Ahmed.
This cup of coffee is so good. I like it, please. Get my another.
Get me another. In this sentence, he says, wow, this cup of coffee is so good. I like it. Please get me another. Get me another. Okay, guys, in this sentence, is he going to drink 1 or 2 cups of coffee? If you know, put your hand, please. This is Pika. Yes, Nawaf? I'm trying to unmute you, Nawaf Al-Anizan.
He
Yeah.
will drink 2 cups.
2 cups, right?
Yeah.
So the first one, he liked it. It means he drank it. It was so good. I like it or liked it. Please get me another cup of coffee. In this one or in this statement, note that this another is used as a pronoun, not an adjective. How can I know? In the previous slide, it was an adjective followed by a noun. Another one, another cup, another book, another pen. But here it's a pronoun, not followed by a noun. Give me another. If it's used as a pronoun, what does it mean? Does it mean he needs alternative, يحتاج بديل, and he doesn't like the first one? No. I hope Turkey can read this explanation for us. Yes.
Yes, teacher. As a pronoun, it means an
Additional one.
additional one of the same kind.
Aha. So when we use the another as an adjective followed by a noun in the previous slide, it meant I don't like the first one, give me alternative. أعطني بديل لو سمحت. But here, when we use it as a pronoun and not followed by any nouns, ما في اسم بعدها، قالش another cup or another coffee أو أي شيء, just another. In this case, it's a pronoun and the meaning it changes to mean give me an additional one. It means I like the first one, I'm going to use or I used the first one, I need extra one, you know, extra, more. Okay, I hope someone reads this explanation down. Is going to read it. Al-Anizan? Yeah.
This sentence means that I like that cup of coffee and I asked for an additional one.
You see, guys, the word another gives us 2 different meanings according to how you use it. If you use it as an adjective followed by a noun, it means you need alternative. You don't like the first one. If you need it, if you use it as a pronoun like this one, not followed by a noun, it means you like the first one and you need another one. I mean extra one, additional one. So I told you this slide is very important for you. It will help you understand the correct usage of another. Okay. I need someone to read these 2 sentences, please. Okay, who's going to read them? You know, I have, mashallah, 39 students attending the lecture or the lesson, and just 4 guys raising their hands. Why? Where are the other guys? Yes, Mish'an.
Please get me another cup.
Cups.
Please
cups.
get me cups. Please get me another cup.
Okay. A question for you all guys. Thanks, Mish'an, for reading. Which sentence is correct? Number 1, number 2, or both? Which one is correct? Is it number 1 correct? or number 2, or they both are correct. Let's take, who's going to help us? Yes, Muhammad Sami.
Number 2, right, teacher.
Read it, please.
Please get me another cup.
What's the difference between number 1 and number 2, Muhammad?
The number 1 is جمع حساب.
Plural.
Yes,
Plural
plural.
But number 2 singular.
Yeah.
So you wanted to say, Muhammad, that the word another is used before singular noun, but not used before a plural noun. Is
Yes.
it your opinion?
Yes, it's for like 1 cup.
Okay, let's check. Okay, Muhammad, I hope you read your this explanation, please, and this note. Yes, Muhammad.
Another is only used with singular nouns.
Excellent, Muhammad. So the word another, guys, be careful. When you choose another, is used before singular nouns only. I cannot say another cups. No, another cup. As you see, this one is incorrect. And this one is correct one. So I hope you keep these notes in your mind. I'm going to upload the video for you. I want you to play the video again and write down these notes for you. They are very important. Okay, guys. So in this short part of the grammar rule, we studied the difference between other, others. I told you. You can go back to the slides. No need to repeat again. And we studied another in 2 different meanings. Be careful, okay? Up till now, we have finished the most important part of our lesson. And here, this one, it's not so important for you. Just not to be confused when you use each other, one another. Each other, one another. Someone says, can I say one other? Each others or each another? No, no, no. Keep it in your mind. This is a phrase. Don't try to break it, okay? Learn it by heart. إما نقول each other or one another. I cannot say each others. No, no, no. طب each another? No, no. طب one other? No. إما each other, one another. What do they mean? What's the meaning of this each other, one another? Is there anybody can help us? Can you guess what's the meaning of each other or one another? Yes, Turkey, mashallah, you are active this year, mashallah alik.
Teacher, you want to me translate to Arabic, right?
Okay, maybe you can give us the Arabic translation. Each other or
Okay.
one another.
Each other means بعضهم لبعض.
Okay.
One another means one another. واحد آخر.
You know, Turkey, they have maybe the same meaning. Don't bother yourself. Each other or one another, as you said, بعضهم لبعض أو كل منهما الآخر, as you like. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. عشان كده قلت لكم it's not so important part, but I want you just to learn each other, not each others, not each another, one another, not one others. Here in the next slide, we are going to know the meaning of them. I hope a new face can help us to read just reading the slide. Azam, is Azam here today? Yes, Mr. Azam. Okay.
Each other and one another, which are inseparable phrases, are used to say that 2 or more people or things do the same thing to the other or others.
يعني I think it's a long explanation, but it's so easy. Each other or one another, shabab, they are inseparable. يعني you cannot break them. Don't use each with another. No, إما each other or one another. Okay. They are used to show or to say that 2 guys or more than 2 guys are acting the same thing to the other parts or other members of the group. For example, look at this. For people and things, guys, not just people. Yes, Azam.
My friends have deep trust in each other.
My friends have deep trust in each other. These friends, maybe they are 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. When I say my friends trust each other, it means each one of my friends trusts the other guys. For example, if I have Muhammad, Ahmed, Ali, and Nawaf, they are my friends. When I say my friends trust each other, it means Ahmed trusts the other group or the other members. Nawaf trusts the other members. Ahmed trusts, and so on. The same action is done by each one in the group, whether they are 2 or more. The same meaning for one another. Can you read it, Azam?
I want them to treat one another with respect.
I want them to treat one another with respect. To treat one another, يعني each one acts with respect with other members, and so on. Number 2 acts, and so on. They are 2 guys, 3 guys, 4 guys, no problem. So this is the meaning of one another and each other. Don't bother yourself. I just want you to learn in heart that you cannot break this one. Don't use one others. No, imma one another or each other. This was the last slide in our lesson. And go back to your workbook. I'm sorry, to the student book so quickly. Student book, guys. I'm going to share the screen with you. Okay, guys, I hope you can see it. Page 8, I guess. Yeah. The grammar rule. We have 5 minutes left. My alarm starts now. Okay, guys, we are doing this exercise, this one. Exercise A, complete using other, others, or another. You have got 4 minutes. Take your time now. You can start from number 7, number 5, number 4, as you like. No need to start from number 1. I know it's not easy for you now, but it's important to try. And after I finish, inshallah, you must watch the video again and again and write down your notes. I hope I can find the new faces like Khalid Saleh, Abdelilah, Al-Anazi. Okay, let's start with Khalid Saleh. Yes, Khalid.
Number 1, teacher.
Okay.
He says he's full of burgers. He says he could not eat another.
Okay, let's check your answer. Excellent, Khalid. Well done. Abdelilah.
Number 2, teacher.
Okay.
You can use that topic for your paper. I have a few others in mind for you for my paper.
Few others. Let's check it. Wonderful, Abdelilah. Excellent. Now, let's take Rakian Asiri.
Number 4.
Okay.
You can keep that bin. I have 2 or 3 other bins in my backpack.
Other, right?
Other, yeah.
Excellent, Rakan. Let's take Azam. Yes, Azam.
Number 3.
Okay.
They like their cat so much that they are talking about getting other kitten.
Other?
Another.
As you like, other or another?
Another.
Another, because kitten singular, be careful, huh?
Yeah.
Let's check your answer. Excellent. Now we still have number 5. Let's take Mishan. Yes, Mishan.
7.
7. Okay.
I just recovered from I cold and already I am getting another one.
Another one. Let's check. Excellent. Of course, one singular need another, like getting singular need another. Okay. Now, Abdurrahman Al-Harbi. Yes, Abdurrahman. I'm trying.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Number 6.
Okay. Cover your mouth.
Cover your mouth when you
Cough.
when you cough, so that others
won't catch your cold. Let's check your answer, Abdurrahman. Excellent, Abdurrahman. The last one. Let's take Aid. Abdulaziz Aid. Where is he? Okay, I'm trying to unmute you. Yes, Abdulaziz. You have a problem, Abdulaziz. Maybe Nasser raised his hand. If you want to answer Nasser, raise your hand again, please.
Stop.
Okay, Abdulaziz.
There are 6 space people in line ahead of us. Other.
Let's check it.
I think.
Excellent, guys. Well done. I'm so happy that you understood this part of the grammar rule. I know it's not so difficult, but it's confusing. That's why you must practice it more and more. Okay. Inshallah, next week we're going to study another topic, maybe grammar, maybe reading. It depends. We inshallah wait for homework on the website, maybe tomorrow or today. It depends on my internet connection. Thank you for attendance. Thanks for participation. See you next week, inshallah. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.